Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a plus definite articles. So a is this word that means to, at, or in. It can mean any of those three things. And we're talking about what happens when a is followed by a definite article. Definite article is just a fancy word for le, la, or les. All three of these mean the. Okay, so when we have a followed by le in French, it becomes au, au. But when we have a followed by la, it gets to stay the same, a la. When we have a followed by L apostrophe, we get a L apostrophe, no change. And when we get a followed by le, we get au spelled A-U-X. All of these mean at the, to the, or in the. Now you'll notice that the only two where there's a change is a plus le, that makes au, and a plus le makes au. The other two stay the same, a la, and then a L apostrophe. Now, in order to put these into use, let's say we wanted to say to the market. Over here, here's market, and it's blue because it's masculine, so we would say le marché, the market. What if I wanted to say to the market? I would say au marché, to the market. What about for boutique, the next one down? Boutique is pink because it's feminine. So what if I wanted to say to the boutique? What would I do? Well, I would put à la boutique. À la boutique. To the boutique, to the shop. And then the third one down, école, the school. What if I wanted to say to the school? What would I do? Well, it begins with a vowel. And so we would normally say l'école to say the school. So we would say à l'école because a plus L apostrophe stays the same. And then finally we have toilette, the bathrooms. So if we wanted to say to the bathrooms, we would say à plus les over here, which becomes aux toilettes, to the restrooms. It's important to note that we use a plus les equals au for all things that are plural, even if they begin with a vowel. So in our top example here, if we want to say to the school, again we would say à l'école because it's singular and it begins with a vowel. À l'école, to the school. But if we wanted to say to the schools, plural, we would use our plural option, even though this begins with a vowel. We would say au. And this X would make a Z sound. The lights just went out. The X would make a Z sound, so it would be aux écoles. Let's try that again. If we wanted to say to the student, like we're giving something to the student, you would say à l'étudiant, because it's singular and it begins with a vowel. À l'étudiant, to the student. But if you wanted to say to the students, you would use a plus les equals aux étudiants. So let's take a look at some examples of using these in complete sentences. If I wanted to say here, I go to the supermarket. Supermarket is masculine, le supermarché. So I would say, je vais au supermarché. I go to the supermarket. And we use au because since supermarché is masculine, we would say le supermarché. A plus le is au. If I wanted to say, you swim at the beach, I would say, tu nages à la plage. You swim at the beach. Plage is feminine. La plage. And with a followed by la, we have no change. If I wanted to say she studies at the university, we would say elle étudie à l'université. She studies at the university. And a followed by L apostrophe has no change. And then finally, if I wanted to say we talk to the children, I would say nous parlons aux enfants. We talk to the children. Children is plural, les enfants, and a plus les is aux enfants. So hopefully this video has helped you to understand how to use a followed by definite articles le, la, les, or L apostrophe. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know.